New setup, bitches.
So I did my eyebrows twice. This took like an hour to set up. This is a wrinkly sheet, so if it doesn't look good, kiss my ass. Enjoy the video. I look like a little angel wearing white background. I look cute. Okay, yeah, enjoy the video. Hoes, you sluts. Like this video if this setup is better than the background that I had before, which was disgusting because I never cleaned my room. Hi, welcome back to another awkward voiceover. First off, we're gonna start by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm gonna go into the Yes Please palette by Colourpop and take that light peachy pinky shade and start off the look with that. All you want to do is slap that hoe on and make sure your eyelid is set. After that, we're going to take a darker corally shade from the Yes Please palette, and the technique I'm using here today is to literally create a semicircle. You know, like a semicircle, and that is all. We're not going to blend that hoe. We're just going to create a semicircle and deal with the rest later. If you don't look like this, you're doing it wrong. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush with that lighter corally shade, and I'm going to blend the edges because we're no harsh bitches here, sister. Not on this channel. After that, I take an even darker corally shade. It's like on the borderline of being reddish pinky, but it still has those cutesy corally undertones. So I literally basically just slapped this in my lid and started blending. I was winging this look, but it turned out looking alright at the end. I look all peachy keen, cute or whatever, so yeah. Right after that, I'm going to take my Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline and start to cut out a semicircle shape. This is starting to become a geometry class. Like, semicircles are the key, bro. Get a protractor for that shit because you need to create a semicircle with that concealer, fill that bitch in, and then we're going to do some more blending with the corally shades. Okay, I'm going to try to be as smart about this as possible, but it's hard to explain. After you set down the semicircle, you want to take some of the darker reddish shade and start blending that on the outer corner of the eye. And then you want to take that exact shade and start blending it on the inner corner of the eye inwards towards the middle of the lid. So in order to help that whole process and to make it look more gradient, I took the True Coral shade and I started to blend that one also inwards towards the lid, you know? So it's like you're kind of creating like a halo eye look, like kind of, And this is where the whole peachy vibes thing comes in, I think. It kind of looked a little light pink, and now it looks like a whole ass edible peach. Right when you add that cute orangish, goldenish, you know, that little shimmer shade in the middle, you just gotta put that pop, you know what I'm saying? And then we can work on the face. I'm using the NYX Hydratouch primer. This is the best primer ever. It's like pretty expensive for a drugstore primer, but I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. My back is broken. After smothering my face with Too Faced Born This Way, which that's a bomb foundation, I cream contour just to give off that glowy, cute effect. And the contour I used is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Kit. I'm putting you guys on at this moment. This is a $5 concealer and it works like a dream. If you like dewy, fresh looking skin, this concealer is going to be your BFF, your ride or die, your homegirl. I use it all the time. And then I'm going to set my face with the Airspun loose powder because it is the cheapest thing I can find and I'm a broke ass person. After that, it's blush, and this is the key to look like a cute girl. Honestly, I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like the whole fake freckles movement tied this whole entire look together. It was just the cherry on top. I just took a super precise brush and a shadow that's lighter than my hair. I feel like a lot of people go wrong with this because they try to take a shadow that's the same color as their hair and their freckles turn out like 10 shades too dark and you look like you have like a shit ton of blackheads. Well, you want to take a shade lighter than your hair and you want to permeate the freckles pretty evenly. Also, please do not succumb to headassery. Please blend your fake freckles with the sponge. Thank you. Thanks. After that, I just took my Mario Badescu lavender water spray, which I know I said in my last video, I thought setting sprays were a psychological concept, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to ever use setting spray again. So after I spritzed my face, I took my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop and made myself look like a penny. Like a new shiny 2018 penny though. For the lower lash line, I just smudged some of that coral shade, literally named Big Cocktail, which, how did Colourpop get away with that? We will never know. I literally smudged that like real low on my lower lash line though, and I didn't go all over my lower lash line, just the outer edge of my lower lash line, and then you want to perfect that pout. This is how you're gonna get to look like Betty Boop. Betty Boop? Is that her name? But you just, I don't know her name, but you just want to overline your lips a little if you need to or if you want to. If not, girl, that's chill. And then I took the Colourpop lippie stick in the shade Brink, and that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. Bye! Anyways, this was the end of this video. This was the finished look. I look so cute, bitch. Who would've known? Thank you guys so much.
Stop it. Get some help. Subscribe.